huge animatronic. Wow. Got a load of the, keeping in line with all the dinosaur tour theming. Look at the detail. Got like a little watchtower in the middle, a little observation tower. Theming on top of theming. Them are meant to be going over me right now, but I think they've kept them off because it's not the sunniest day in the world. Just heading towards everybody watching. It's not awkward, it's not awkward at all. Right. Going up. Hey Haley! It's the awkward turnaround where you have to go past the queue and everyone's just there watching you on a kid's. There's Chris down at the bottom. Right. So what they do, they seem to be batching. So the lift hill stops, lets the boat go. It's good. Right up to the top here. Let's see how wet we get. We got the trap bottoms test. Already I've got a little splash. That's before we've even started going down. Right, here we go. Let's see how bad it is. Jesus Christ! That's much more that's much more wet than I was expecting. You get much wetter than I thought, Chris.
Children under 6 years old must be accompanied by a responsible adult.
You got a little smoke effect that's just come on the other side there that I didn't see when I went round. But yeah, now we saunter on into the station. And just like that, that's the end of our ride.